Well, you see, I grew up in backwoods, Ontario. It is pretty dull, boring, and plain, you know. If I stayed, I could have been a waitress or some farmer's wife. Fuck that shit, you know, I had to get on with my life. I packed some things and put on my skimpiest outfit. Said goodbye to the fam, my friends, and all of that shit. Struck a pose, raised my thumb on the side of the highway. Wasn't too long before I tracked the trailer, stopped and took me away. I'm off to Hollywood, US of A. I'm hitching to Hollywood, gonna take an airplane if I could. Yeah, hitching to Hollywood, I'll suck 100 trucker cops if I could. Then I'll make it when I get to Hollywood. The driver said you're cute and all, but this ride ain't free. I don't need money, but there's something you can do for me. It starts now, little lady, you're on the clock. Slip under this dashboard and suck my cock. If you can guess, this was my life the next few weeks. Man, I sucked so many dicks, I had smoldering cheeks. Hey, you know, what's this bag of powder? Can I try some? I took a big snort, my eyes lit up. Fucking hey, this is gonna be fun. Fucking hell yeah. I'm hitching to Hollywood, gonna take an airplane if I could. Yeah, hitching to Hollywood, I'll suck 100 trucker cops if I could. Then I'll make it when I get to Hollywood. When I finally rolled into LA and saw all of the palm trees, oh man, this place is awesome. It's really, really neat. It took me a couple weeks of hustling, but I met some big shot. He took me into his back room and said, show me what you got. I said,